Hi, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and today I've got a Maestro Wu G3 fish knife for sharpening. Let's get to it. All right, so the Maestro Wu G3 fish knife has a big curve to it, and we did a video a little while back on the G5, the big mama of this one. So this one's a little bit more, takes a little more dexterity to work around on the grinder. So the G3 is a little bit simpler, so I'm going to run through that. It's the same process, just smaller. So with the curvature, we're going to start in usually this way, but today we're just going to come around because we got this nice big belly. We're just going to come in at a angle here and just rock it back and forth at our angle here, and then flip it over. Same thing on the other side. So now we've got a 1K chocolate bar here, and the sharpening is going to be the same as it was. We're going to come around a nice, just come around the curve, follow the contours. All right. So. Now we've got a 4K Naniwa finisher, so we'll just finish up on that one. Same thing, get the curve, slowly rocking back and forth, so I'm tilting the knife this way.
Yeah, this way.
A quick cut test just before we buff, just to show that it is sharp already off the 4K. It's pretty good. That 4K is just going to give it a little bit more. So, because this likes to slice through, so we'll just buff it real quick. And from there, like butter. So really just gives it a little bit of tooth, but it's still got a lot of slice to it now. So this will roll right through fish. Once again, if you like this video, please like and subscribe over here. And I'll put the video link for the G5 Maestro Wu cleaver sharpening as well up over here. So thank you. Like and subscribe again, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.